Hello friends, it's Jane Mamalmi back with another scrapbook process video. I am going to do another Christmas scrapbook page because I had so much fun last week doing the Christmas in July with the creative design team. I decided to keep going. So today I'm working with a kit. This is one of Close to My Heart's Cut Above kits. I love these kits because they come with everything you need. They've got the photo mats, all of the die cut pieces, the stickers, even the base pages. I'm going to show you those here. And they just happen to be on sale through the end of August. So this is part of the subscription that Close to My Heart offers. I'll leave information for that down below, but there are some older kits that are available as a special right now, buy two, get one free. So you can choose the layouts. There's two two-page layouts per kit in the scrapbook kits for this special, and I believe there's also some of the calendar kits, which comes with 13 single page layouts. I've put those together on my channel as well. At the end of this video, I'll leave a playlist for all of the Cut Above kits if you want to see some of the other ones I've put together. But what I'm going to do, and what I like to do with these kits often, is take the components of the kit and change it up to fit my photos, because I don't always have the same size and orientation photos that they use. And in this case, I'm using a lot more photos. So you can see I've used up all the photo mats now, but I need to add a few more photos. So I have the base pages oriented the way that the photo showed me, and I'm thinking that I might add a flip flap here. I end up not adding it, so I set it up there, and you're not going to see it again because I ended up not using it. But I'm placing all of the photo mats, and then I thought, well, what if I rotate this base page so that that design is on the side? And so I thought, well, I don't really like it on that side, but maybe this side. So I'm speeding this up more because I futzed with the orientation of the pages, the photos and their orientations and their placement quite a bit. But I wanted to keep that in because it's all part of the process. And I thought maybe it might help you to see all the different ways that I have moved them around and, placed them in different ways. So I pretty much keep them as you see them here, but just moving the photos around so that the colors are balanced and the backgrounds are balanced and all that. Now I've got some stickers here. There's a title that is really hard to see on there, but I'm going to end up using the title on the right page. And then these red pieces that I have here are stickers too, and I'm going to cut those so that I can stretch them a little bit longer than they were originally intended. So first, let's just make sure I've got all the photos in the place where I want them. And then I stuck that one sticker down, and then I'll be sticking some of the other of those stickers as well. There's this really pretty swag in the kit, and so just kind of deciding where I'm going to be placing that. At this point, this is already quite different from the original layout, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the original layout versus my layout so you can see all of the changes that I did. So if you have this particular layout kit, you can get some ideas, or just use this as an idea for, scrapbooking from scratch. Some papers that you have, you can cut them in a wavy line so that it matches that patterned paper that's on the top and side of these pages. And maybe you have some pieces in your stash that will work for this type of layout. Now this particular layout isn't in the sale. This one isn't available anymore, but there are some other Christmas ones and some non-Christmas ones, so you might want to go check them out if you like these kinds of kits. I put that swag on some 3D foam tape so that it would be popped up a little bit. Now here's the title, and again, you can't see it on camera, but I cut out the two words that form that title. There was another one of these stickers that had the dovetail cut in it, so I was trying to make that work. And at first I had it coming out of that patterned paper because it's hard to tell, but there's actually a curve to that sticker, and it was designed to come down from that patterned paper that's on the side of that background. But I decided to move it over and have it just straight and come out of the side of the layout. I'm cutting it closer to just the red part so I could really see how it was going to work and if it was going to fit and look good up there as a title, because like I mentioned, this is quite different from the original layout, and I just wanted to make sure that size-wise everything was going to work, and it was. So I decided to take some stick off so I could work with it a little bit better. I decided then to take all of the words off of the stickers, lined it up with my T-square ruler. And it's really weird that I'm not working on my Versamac, because typically I am, and that really helps you to use the T-square ruler and line everything up. But I just lined it up with the side of my page there and made sure everything was straight. I did put the title on pop dots on foam tape, and I also added a little bit of foam tape on this little embellishment here. And like how that is looking. And then these word strips, or these journaling strips, come in the kit as well. The sticker journal strips come in quite a few of these kits, and spoiler alert, with the new annual catalog that comes out August 1st, there are white sticker journaling strips. That's all they are, is just journaling strips. I'm so excited about them, because after doing these layouts, I was like, we really need to have just journal strips like this that are stickers. So I'm really excited about them. And then I added some embellishing thread and some sparkles, which are not part of the kit. I like to add a little bit of extra bling from my stash for these type of layouts. And you may have noticed that there's a couple extra little flowers on the page as well, up in the top left and bottom right, to help add some pops of color around the page. I thought there needed to be a little bit something extra there in the title, so I pulled out this sticker sheet from my stash as well that coordinates with this collection, and there were some little holly pieces that I thought looked good. I decided to try this one first, and I liked that. And then I tried a couple of other little pieces from the sticker sheet, didn't end up liking that one. And then I eyed this smaller little piece, and it's not very different, but I just kind of liked the shape of it and where the little berries were on the sticker better than that original one, so I decided to add it there. I'm then going to add some stickles to the embellishment clusters, which makes a really fun impact. You'll see that in the close-ups when I am done. But I just wanted to let you know real quick, as a reminder, the creative design team opened our membership group, which is an exclusive group where we go even more in depth teaching techniques and really fun classes for paper crafting. So I'm going to leave that link down below if you're interested in learning more about that. And another spoiler alert, we're going to be doing the 31 Days of Christmas cards again this coming October, and our membership members get a special discount on that event. If you enjoyed this Christmas in July layout, be sure to check out my layout from Tuesday. I will link that here at the end, and also the creative design team's Christmas in July playlist in case you missed any of those. There is tons of amazing inspiration. So now here's this finished layout, and then a quick look at how that layout was supposed to look. Quite different, right? So it's really fun to change up your layouts. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.